morning everyone, welcome back to another vlog here in Australia. I'm now in Airlie Beach and today is the day of a scenic flight. So Haz, Byron and Anna actually ordered their scenic flight yesterday. However, we couldn't all fit on the same flight because it was already booked up. So me and Sophie actually have ours today and I'm super excited. The weather is really nice today. It was originally forecast cloudy, which was quite disheartening, but the weather has cleared up, so hopefully we should get some really nice views. It is really hot, like Sophie just said as well, but yeah, I'm super excited. I'm obviously going to bring you guys along to show you guys what we see. Also rocking the natural hair today, so it is very frizzy and very like bushy. Good morning guys, it is now the next day. Today we're doing jet skiing, which I'm very excited about. This morning I had a little bit of a drama with my hard drive. For the past 2 days my hard drive has not worked, so I ended up having to take it to a little computer tech shop to get it fixed, and put it this way, it's going to cost me an arm and a leg. I urgently need it fixing because I need to get my Fraser Island vlog out, and then it also does have so much software and everything else on it that I need. So I'm just hoping that everything can be transferred over from my old hard drive to my new one without anything messing up, because if it gets messed up then I'm absolutely screwed. Also, I'm realising in this light that my hair looks absolutely atrocious, so let's ignore that. But me and Sophie just made some wraps for our dinner. Sophie's sat here. These three are currently in Subway getting something to eat.
Like a normal.
Yeah, we're budget.
We've actually been
so we've got wraps. So I've got turkey, cheese and lettuce in mine, and it is bloody lovely. I wish I could have made another one though, because I feel like it's not filling me. I feel like here I'm eating so much more food than usual. So I kind of wish, so I kind of wish I made another, but I don't have time to make another. So guys, I spoke about how we were doing the jet ski tour today. However, when we got there, they actually cancelled it because of the weather, which is a little bit annoying, but we have been able to reschedule it to tomorrow.
Oh my god.
Does it? I can't see.
Quite bad.
I can't see. Really
It's
bad.
really made your teeth go like that.
Mine blue?
Oh. It is really bad. Guys, it's the next day. We're doing jet skiing. Very excited. I'm ready. I know, literally everyone's on such a neck down mood because it's so early. Jazzy's going. Go on, girl.
She just whacked it on the side. Picking up the speed now, he just said, so I'm holding on.
Oh my god!
we think something's happened with their jet ski. Anna and Haz have had to go on the instructors. We're just pulling in, we've finished. He's giving us the signal. We're going in.
Me and Sophie have just made our lunch for today. So I've got some baby cucumbers with some red pepper hummus. And then in my wrap I've got turkey, cheese and lettuce because we obviously bought some bits to eat whilst we're here. So we're gonna go ahead and eat these. We also got some crisps on the way back. Sophie got hers there. What do you have in yours? Is it ham?
So I've got ham, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and then I've got my
So we put some of our crisps. These are the Sunbites, like multi-grain crisps, but they're so much better here. Like, I don't know what it is, they just slap so much harder. So guys, it has been some time. I forgot to intro this morning and like introduce what we were doing today. But as you'll have seen, we did some jet skiing. So that was really fun. Absolutely enjoyed that. Wish we could have done it for a little bit longer because I feel like 1 hour just wasn't enough time. By the time everyone had sort of got comfortable, we were sort of coming back. I mean, me and Sophie were jetting off. We were having a good old time doing lots of like turns, circles, like quick turns, everything. And everybody else was really far behind. So I wish we could have had a little bit more time so that we could have experienced it a little bit longer. And not only that, but we also didn't get a chance to swap. Because it was only an hour, we didn't really realise that the time had gone so quickly. And the man didn't say like, oh, this is like your halfway point, so maybe swap over. So unfortunately, Sophie didn't get to drive. It's definitely something that I would recommend doing. If you haven't done it before, it's super fun. Like I said, I do just wish we had a little bit more time so that we could swap and so we could see a little bit more of like the area and see some like wildlife. Byron said that he saw a turtle, but me and Sophie didn't. So I feel like maybe we were just going a little bit too fast, that we kind of like zoomed past them all because they were obviously all behind. But then me and Sophie popped into town and I actually did some shopping. So I did actually pick up these linen trousers. I have no idea what the shop was called. And I got these in a size 14, so they are big, but they do fit like how I want them to fit. So I got them. They worked out like 22 British pounds or something. They were $39.99. So yeah, got them. Didn't get anything else when we were shopping other than sun cream because me and Sophie have actually run out. Then we just came back, had some food as you also will have seen, and now we're gonna go ahead and head back out and meet Byron as he's at the lagoon. We're gonna go to the lagoon, we're gonna chill out, have a little bit of a sunbathe session and probably film some more underwater clips at the lagoon. I feel like that's what this vlog might be full of actually, a lot of underwater clips because we've all been loving going under the water and filming. So yeah, I think I covered everything. If I didn't, I'm sure you'll get the gist of what we're doing. But yeah, we're gonna go. Oh, it's going downhill already.